Mrs. Johnston. For today's lesson, we are going to learn another two tricky words. So let's begin. Remember, tricky words, part of it is tricky and part of it might be decodable. Here is our first word. Let's pronounce it by blending. S, a, I, d. That does not sound like a real word. The pronunciation of this word is said, as in, did you hear what I said? The S is pronounced how you would expect, as in the sound. And the D is pronounced D, as you would expect. The AI is the tricky part in the word, and it is pronounced with the sound. Said. So let's practice writing, reading, and saying this word. You can use dry erase, paper pencil, or you can just practice air writing. S-A-I-D spells said. S-A-I-D spells said, as in, did you hear what I said? Now we are going to look at a second word. Let me get the new word up here. Let's blend. S. That is a nonsense word. It's not a real word. So let's figure out our new tricky word. Our tricky word is says. S-A-Y-S, says, or spells says. So let's break this down. The S is pronounced how you would expect, with the S sound. The final or the ending S is pronounced as you would expect as well, because we have learned that S at the end does sometimes say Z. So this S has the Z sound. The AY is the tricky part. They work together to say the sound, says. So let's practice again writing. You can either dry erase, paper pencil, or air write our word. S-A-Y-S spells says. S-A-Y-S spells says, as in, he says happy birthday. Make sure that you practice the two words that we have learned today. We learned S-A-I-D, said, and S-A-Y-S, says.